So today we are going to discuss exercise problems on logarithms. Yesterday we discussed logarithm topics, laws of logarithms, and also how to expanded logarithms, and also how to write in a single logarithm form. Now today we are going to discuss some problems. Now problem is here, find x if 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3 equal to log x. That is given, and find the value of x. Okay, what is given here? Ready? Given part 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3 equal to log x. Now they asked to find out x value. So how to find out x value? We land in a singular logarithm. So first reduce this. Write in a single logarithm to both sides. LHS and RHS, we are going to reduce the logarithmic. We are writing in a single logarithm form. Now here, by using laws of logarithms, here we have in front of number is multiplying. So we can write in exponential form. 5 square plus, here 1 by 2 is multiplying. So log 9 to the power of 1 by 2 minus, here no number is multiplying, so directly you can write equal to, what is given, equal to log x. Okay, by using of laws of logarithms, m into log x equal to log x to the power of m. Third law of logarithm. From this we got this. Next, 5 square is how much? 25. 5 square value is 25 plus 9 to the power of 1 by 2. 1 by 2, it is a square root number. So apply square root of 9. Square root value is 1 by 2 minus log 3 equal to log x. Here in this step we didn't use any laws of logarithm. Next, these two numbers are multiplying and these two numbers are adding. These two numbers are subtracting, minus, and these two numbers are adding. Now what is the value of root 9? Log 3. Log 25 plus log 3 minus log 3 equal to log x. Okay, so here we have log 3, log 3. Like terms you can cancel. So which is left? Log 25 equal to log x. So if left and right, if you have the logarithm, you can cancel. Now what is the x value? 25. So value of x is 25. Got it? Here only one laws of logarithm used, that is third law of m into log x equal to log into x to the power of m. Got it? One more problem here. They asked to find out this equation, solve it. So which equation they given to us? 3 to the power of x equal to 5 to the power of x minus 2. They asked to find out, solve this equation. What is the mean by solve the equation? That means which variable involved in that equation, we have to calculate that value. So which variable involved in this? X value. X is the variable. So we have to calculate x value. How to solve? Here in earlier classes we learned laws of exponents. So if you have the same basis, you can solve the variable. But here they have different basis. So how to solve here? For this we are applying logarithm. Apply logarithm to both sides. Got it? We apply logarithm to both sides. Now, third law, m into log x equal to log x to the power of m. So, suppose any number is multiplying in front of log, it is we can write the number exponent. Okay. Now we are using here. So, opposite we are applying. Here exponential form we are writing in front of log. Now here we have x is the exponent number. Now x in front of log. X log 3 equal to, here we have connected equation, that is x minus 2. So take it and keep the bracket. Now log 5. Okay, here we don't have any another equation or any variable here, so x log 3, no need to multiply or no need to expand it, and here multiply this x to log 5, x log 5 you will get minus 2 log 5. So here we have x logarithm form, and here also we have x logarithm, like terms. So this is the like term and these two are also same common having x. So transfer this 2 log 5 to right side and this number to this side. Now x log 5 and minus x log 3 equal to 2 log 5. I corrected order, okay? Don't be confused here. Now common x here. Log 5 minus log 3 equal to 2 log 5. Now what they asked, solve the equation. So here we have to solve x. So x into we have. So transfer this multiplication form to here. Now x equal to 2 log 5 by log 5 minus log 3. Got it? This is the value of x. Okay? Yeah, one more problem here. If log x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 bracket and log x plus log y, and they asked to find out, then find the value of x. So here we need to find out x value. For this, here logarithmic form they given to us, both sides equal equation they given to us. So write in a single logarithmic form. What they given to us, log x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. Okay. Now this half, if you write in exponential form, these two numbers are having the 1 by 2. So again we have to use here some algebraic identity. So transfer this, here we having single logarithm, here these two are connected. Now this one write in left side. So this half will becomes 2. When you transpose, divide number. 2 log x plus y by 3 equal to log x plus log y. Now this is a multiplication number. So if any number is multiplying with a logarithm, you can write in a exponential number to the logarithmic number. So log x plus y by 3 whole to the power of 2, and these two are connecting, so write in a single logarithmic form log xy. Now I am writing here laws of logarithms. Two laws of logarithms we applied here. One is m log x equal to log x to the power of m. This is third law, and here one more law we used, log x plus log y is equal to log xy. Okay. Now these two sides we have the logarithm, so cancel it. Now which is left, x plus y whole square. So apply square to both bases. X plus y whole square by 3 square is 9 equal to xy. Now transfer xy to here. X plus y whole square is x square and y square plus 2xy. We expanded this equal to 9xy. Got it here? Here we used algebraic identity, that is a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Got it everyone? This identity we applied here. Here we have x plus y whole square now. So x square y square plus 2xy equal to 9xy. Now here we have 2xy and 9xy. These two are like terms. So this one transfers to right side. X square plus y square equal to 9xy minus 2xy. Okay. X square plus y square equal to how much? 9 from 2, you will get 7. 7xy. Got it? Now transfer the xy to left side. X square plus y square by xy equal to 7. Now this denominator apply to these two numerators. Split it. X square by xy plus y square by xy equal to 7. Now in this square you can cancel x square cancel, and y cancel, y square. In this we have 2 y, so 1 y we cancel. So here one x is left, and here y after cancelling, and here y is left, and here x is left. So what is the value of this? 7. X by y plus y by x equal to 7. They asked to find out x by y, not x here, x by y plus y by x value they asked to find out. Okay, that is our question. Again I am explaining here. If log x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. So here to finding of this we need single logarithmic form. So we are reducing here, which are giving expanded form, we are reducing to single logarithmic form. Now here we have the 1 by 2. So transfer to left side. 2 log x plus y by 3 equal to log x plus log y. Next, if any numbers is multiplying with logarithm, we can write in exponential form. Now log x plus y by 3 whole to the power of 2. And here two numbers are connecting, plus sign. So you can multiply those numbers, product in form. Log xy. And here we got single logarithm. So log cancelled. Which is left x plus y whole square. Now apply this square to both bases. 3 square is 9 equal to xy. Now 9 transfers to here. 9xy you will get. And expanded by using a algebraic identity. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. We applied here. And which are like terms? 9xy and 2xy are the like terms. So we subtracted. What is left here? 7xy. Now they asked to find out x by y plus y by x now. So we are going to write this form. Now splitted this denominator to two numerators. Left is x by y plus y by x equal to 7. So value of this is 7. One more problem is here. If 2 to the power of x plus 1 equal to 3 to the power of 1 minus x, then find the value of x. And here two exponential numbers they given to us, and they asked to find out x value. To finding of x value, what is required here? Actually this is our exponential number. So in earlier classes we learned laws of exponents. In that we learned that if two bases are equal, you can equate the powers, but here two different bases they given to us. So just now we discussed logarithm. In logarithm topic we are here now. So by using of logarithms also you can solve x value. Now apply for this, what we have to do, apply logarithm to both sides. Log 2 to the power of x plus 1 and log 3 to the power of 1 minus x. Here what we are doing here, applying logarithm to both sides. Okay, we apply log to both sides. Now here exponential number we are writing in front of the logarithm, and here also 1 minus x log 3. Got it? Now multiply x log 2 plus 1 log 2, and here 1 log 3 minus x log 3. Which law we are applied here? M log x equal to log 2 log x to the power of m. This third law we used. Okay. Now here we have to calculate x value. So x terms transfers to one side and numbers transfers to another side. X log 2 plus x log 3 equal to log 3. Here plus form becomes minus log 2. Okay. Now here common x log 2 plus log 3 and log 3 This is my differences now, so you can write 3 by 2 division form, and here multiplication. So x log 2 into 3, got it, equal to log 3 by 2. Which laws we used here? Right beside of this, log a by b equal to log a minus b. And one more law we used, log a into b equal to log a plus b. Okay, these two logarithms we used here. Now we have to find out x value. X equal to, transfer this logarithm to here, log 3 by 2 here, and here 2 into 3 by log 2 into 3. Okay, so here you can cancel, you can write up to here, or else you can cancel these terms, and these two numbers will be left. Log get cancel, and 3 by 2, and this 2 into 3. So here reciprocal of this, so 3 by 2, reciprocal of this is 1 by 2 into 3. Got it? So 3 get cancelled, 1 by 4 is the answer. Now x value is 1 by 4. Got it? Yeah, one more problem is here, if 2.3 whole to the power of x equal to 0.23 whole to the power of y equal to 1000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Before discussing about this problem, here what is given we are going to write. Here they given to us 2.3 whole to the power of x and 0.23 whole to the power of y and equal to 1000. That means this value can also, you can consider 1000, and this value also can consider as 1000. Now I am considering here first, before that, which numbers involved here, what is the relationship between these two numbers, 2.3 and 0.23. How much to multiply you will get 0.23. Here see here, this one have to move, or this one have to move here, so you can multiply here 10, one digit have to move. So if you multiply with a 10, this becomes 2.3. That is the relationship between these two numbers, 2.3 equal to 0.23 into 10. Got it everyone? This is remember in your mind. Okay. Now I am going to discuss this problem. Now 2.3 whole to the power of x equal to 1000. I am equating 2.3 whole to the power of x equal to 1000. Now here write in exponential form, 2.3 whole to the power of x equal to 10 to the power of 3, and only we required here 2.3, no need of this exponent. So what we have to do, anti operation, that means x power anti operation is 1 by x, both sides multiply, on power raise both sides bases 1 by x. Okay, 1 by x, this power have to raise to both sides. Okay, 2.3 whole to the power of x, and I am raised 1 by x, power and power, 10 to the power of 3 and into 1 by x. Got it? Both sides we did this. Now x get cancelled, and which is left 2.3, and here 10 to the power of 3 by x. Got it? Next, this is first one, and next one 0.23 whole to the power of y equal to 1000. Now write in exponential form, 0.23 whole to the power of y 10 cube. Okay, now both sides how much, which is the power here? Y. So both sides raise the power 1 by y. 0.23 all to the power of y into 1 by y. Same way left side also 3 by y you will get. Y get cancelled, and which is left 0.23 equal to 10 to the power of 3 by y. Okay, and this is second equation, and we are substituting this first equation and second equation in this rectangular box. 2.3 is we consider as a 10 to the power of 3 by x, and 0.23 you can consider 10 to the power of 3 by y. Okay, in this rectangular box we are substituting. Got it? Again I am writing here 2.3 equal to 0.23 into 10. Don't be confused, this is relationship between 2.3 and 0.23, that's it. Now 2.3 is a 10 to the power of 3 by x, and 0.23 is a 10 to the power of 3 by y, plus, not plus, into 10 to the power of 1. Now if bases are same, you can add the powers. So 10 to the power of 3 by x equal to 10 to the power of 3 by y plus 1. Okay, now here 10 is common for both sides, so 3 by x powers can equal 3 by x, 3 by y plus 1. So 3 by y right to here, 3 by x minus 3 by y equal to 1. Now common 3, 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to 1. Now 1 by x, 1 by y equal to 1 by 3, transferring of this. So they are defined 1 by x minus 1 by y. And I will discuss one simple technique of this. If they asked to find out in an objective, if they are in an objective question, how to do without doing this process, how to write the value. See here, what is the relationship between these two? 2.3, you have to write always in examination point of view, they will give these number will same. Okay, for suppose I am giving here some examples now. 3.6 equal to 3.6 all to the power of x, and 0.36 all to the power of y equal to 1000 or 100 they asked. Okay, so here relation first write it, 3.6 equal to 0.36 into 10. Okay, so here which number we have? 1. So value of this is 1 by 2. Value of this is 1 by 2. How? Here how much we are multiplying? What is the power of this 10? 1. You will write in your numerator, and which is given to us 100. If you write in exponential form, you will get 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Got it? In objective point of view, I am explaining here. Got it everyone? This is the process. And some more problems also I will explain, 2, 3 related to this. Okay? Yeah. Now look at here. Given question is 4.5 to the power of x equal to 0.045 to the power of y equal to 10,000. Okay? They asked to find out 1 by x minus 1 by y. If they asked in an objective point of view, how to solve this answer without doing the process. Now look at here, we simply remember this relation of given numbers 4.5 and 0.045. To getting a 4.5, how much to multiply? 2 digits should be moved, decimal point. So we should multiply 100. Now write in exponential form, 4.5 equal to 0.045 into 10 square. So here what is the exponential number here? 2. So 1 by x minus 1 by y value of this is 2 by, and 10,000 they given no. So for 10,000 write in exponential form 10 power 5. So this number will comes to denominator. Got it? Which is given to us, that we consider as a denominator, and relation number we will consider as a numerator number. See, observe this number, this question also. They asked to find out 3.6 over to the power of x and 0.3x over to the power of y equal to 100. So we written here in denominator 2, 10 square. Okay, this exponent we written in the denominator form, and the relation number 10 power is 1. So we written in numerator. That is the value of this 1 by 2. Okay. Relation, first of all check it, that consider as a numerator, and which is given to us, that number consider as denominator. Got it? That is the simple process to find out the value. Easy way of calculation. Tricky. Okay. And remember this, always they will give these two numbers, relation numbers only they will give. Something will be related, not another numbers. In exercise 1.5, ninth problem, what is they given to us? Log 2 is a rational number or irrational number. We have to calculate, we have to prove this number as a rational or irrational number. And previous classes we learned they will give the, suppose they will give the numbers and we have to prove that rational or irrational by using up their properties. But here they given to us logarithmic number. So how to prove this number rational or irrational? For this, consider this log 2 and finding of this one log 2. If any logarithmic number they didn't mention the any base, consider that as the 10 base. Okay, remember in your mind, if they are not mentioned any base, consider that is a 10th base. Now this value is x, we don't know this value is x. Now write in exponential form. When you are writing exponential form, these 2 and x will interchange the places. Now how much to raise this 10? You will get 2. Is there any number to, if you raise, you will get 2. Suppose take here 0, I am started with 0. 10 to the power of 0 is 1 and 10 power 1 you will get 10 and 10 to the power of 2 you will get 100. No number, you won't get 2 value. For suppose if you consider negative numbers, 10 to the power of minus 1, this value of this is 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is 0.1. Okay, no number we are getting here. Got it? So this is undefined. So it is a irrational number. Suppose if you calculate this value, you can say that is rational. But here not defining this value. So it is no number to raise to this number to get 2. So this value of this is irrational. Got it? Next, log 100. Now consider base as 10. 100 equal to y. Now write in exponential form 10 to the power of y equal to 100. Now write in exponential form 10 to the power of y equal to 10 square. Now if bases are equal, powers will equal. So y value is y equal to 2. Got it? So this is the value of y. So it is value of log 100. So it is a rational number. 2 is a rational number, no? So log 100 also a rational number. Got it? Here one more problem. First bit, last problem in 1.5. So here what is the given to us? 2 to the power of 2 plus log 2 base 3. So here 2 is having two different numbers. When they will add it, if same base or multiplying, you can add the powers. So here this base is applied to both numbers, to both powers, into 2 square 2 base and log base to 3. What is the value of 2 square? 4 into, and when you are having 2 and this number 2 equal, this value becomes 1. Value of this is 1. And 1 into 3, 3 you will get. 4 3s are 12. Okay, here we are using this law. And okay, multiplying number and base number are equal. This value is becomes 1. So power exponent number is 3. 4 3s are 12. Got it? Some more numbers, useful information. Log 0 is 1 and log 1 is 0. Okay.